Hello my students, how are you? Prep 2. Today we'll solve from weekly assessments. Performance A weekly assessment number 1 in mathematics. Performance A and assessment second property, second term. Week number 1. We'll solve question talk about proportional. Do you remember? Homework here, number 4. Find third proportional for the quantities 35, 28 and 12. We can write the ratio between first over second, write 35 over second equals third. He won't find the third proportional for quantities and write 12 down. Then x equal the product of extremes equal product of means, write 35 product by 12 divided by 28. 35 times 12 over 28. Then the third will be 15. Okay, next question. Number 2. If x over y was 2 over 5, we can put here k constant, k not equal 0. He won't find the value of 10x plus 3y over 5x plus 2y. 10 times x equal 2k. 2 times 10, 20. Then we have 20k plus 3 times y. 3 times 5 is 15k over 5 times x. X was 2k. 5 times 2 equal 10. 2 times y. Y was 5k. 2 times 5 equal 10. Then we can collect 20 plus 15 equals 35. 10 plus 10, 20, and then we have 35 over 20 divided by 5 numerator and numerator. 35 divided by 5 equals 7, 20 divided by 5 equals 4. The result will be 7 over 4. Understood? Listen to me about question number 3. Number 3 is the numbers that added each of numbers 18, 11, 12, 7, they becomes proportional numbers. Let the number will be x. Then 18 plus x over 11 plus x equal 12 plus x over 7 plus x. And then use properties. The product of extremes equal product of means. 18 plus x product by 7 plus x equal 12 plus x product by 11 plus x. 11 right here 18 times 7. 18 times 7 equal 126. And x times x power 2. The product of extremes and product of means, and then collect 18x and 7x to be 25x. The product of extremes 18x and in the mean 7x. 7 plus 18, 25. And here also 12 times 11, 132. And x times x equal x power 2. The product of extremes and means, and then collect 12x and 11x, it will be 23x. Okay, 12 plus 11. 12x and 11x will be 23x. He can cancel x power 2 by x power 2, and 126 subtract from 132, and here move right 25x subtract y 23x. We can write 2x. 12 minus 6 equals 6. Then we can divide it by 2. Then x will be equal 6 divided by 2 equal 3. Then the number will be 3. Okay. Next question. Number 4. If the quantities A, B, C, A, B, C, and E are proportional, prove that left hand side equal right hand side here. Okay. First question. We have A over B equal, we have proportional, not continuous proportional. Okay. Then A over B equals C over D. I will put here k and k not equal 0, then the value of A equal B times k and C equal D product by K. Left hand side and right hand side. Left hand side, A plus B over B. A was BK plus B over B. You can write B or divided by B. BK divided by B equal K, and B divided by B equal 1. And right hand side we have C plus D over D. C was DK plus D over D divided by D. DK divided by D equal K, and D divided by D equal 1. They are equivalent. The right hand side equivalent to left hand side. They are equivalent. This is question number 1. Number 2, the same idea here. We have A over B equal C over D equal K. The value of A equal BK, and the value of C equal DK. We have left hand side. Left hand side we have 4B plus 7D over 4A plus 7C. 4 times B plus 7 times D over 4 times A. A was BK, 4BK, and 7 product by C. C was DK. Okay, and then you can write, we have 4P plus 7 E over, write down K had cofactors, then we have 4P, and the remainder here will be 7D. They are similar, cancel, the result will be 1 over K. Next question, for right hand side now. Right hand side we have 5P minus ED over 5A minus 8C. 5P, the value of B is constant, and D also constant, over 5 times A was BK, 8 product by C was DK. Then we have 5B minus ED over down, we can write K hat cofactors, then we have 5P and write K hat cofactors, then the result will be 1 over K. Then left hand side equal right hand side equal 1 over K. Next question, number 5. X over 2 equal Y over 2 equal Z over 5, and X plus Y plus Z plus Y minus 2Z equal 12. Find the value of Z. First, we can write X over 2 equal Y over 4 equal Z over 5. Write here constant M, and M not equal 0 or K. In the value of X equal to M, and Y equal 4M, and Z equal 5M, such that we have X plus Y minus 2Z equal 12. Put X equal to M and Y equal 4M, subtract 2 by Z. 2 times 5 equal 10. 2 plus 4 6. 6 minus 10. 2 plus 4 6. Okay. He gives me X and Y minus 2 product by Z. 2 plus 4 6. 6M minus 10M equal 12. Then we have negative 4M equal 12. In the value of M, 12 divided by negative 4 is negative 3. In the value of X equal 2 times negative 3 is negative 6, and 4 times negative 3 is negative 12, and 5 times 3 is negative 15. 5 times negative 3 negative 15. The value of Z will be equal negative 15. Okay, understood. Next question. Next week I will explain next video. Okay, goodbye.